Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I'm going to be showing you how I clean out the fridge, and I use a wet and dry cloth going in and just wiping off all the old food and debris from all the trays. When you have children, you know. I don't know how I found sunglasses in the fridge, but whatever. We're just gonna keep on moving and cleaning out the fridge. I'm just throwing out some expired food and making sure everything is wiped down and nice and clean. Now you're just going to see me shine up the stainless steel. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you are watching, make sure you subscribe and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.